Hello, good morning. So we are on 9th of August, and today we'll be having the RBI policy review. So let's see how the markets react. Now, to just give you a brief idea of what happened yesterday, there were many scripts that gave more than 5% returns. And then one of them was Biocon. We had a buy call there first initially, and then after the buy call, we did have again a sell call. So you can just see that here. So that's around 40 rupees there on the buy call. And then again on the sell call, we had another 35 rupees. So you'll have to just multiply this with your lot size, and then you'll get your profit. So apart from that, we had even Britannia. And that's around 230 rupees on Britannia. And we had Colpal also, even Cummins India. You can just see that here, 871 was the buy price, and it went up to 924. We had Crompton, so that was Colpal. So that's around 70 rupees odd. And we had Tata Elxsi, Tata Power and Tata Elxsi also. So that's Tata Elxsi. So we had many other trades which gave around more than 5% returns. Now if you just come back to today's pre-open, we have a gap up open of 16 points. And you can just see that your media is in red and rest all are in green. So let's check how the markets react once the market opens. So let me just close this and then open it again. So I will be getting even the open interest graph. So we have the bullish page here. The scripts which are bullish will come into this particular page, and we have another segment called as the usually bullish. In case if the script is not that bullish, then it will automatically get into the bearish page. So this you can this particular scripts that you get on the bullish page, you can be bullish on that, and it's purely intraday strategy. So let's see how it works out for us today. And we have this refresh button here, so you can refresh the data every 10 minutes. So once you get at around 9:25, once you click on the refresh button, you'll be getting the list populated here, and then we can use that to trade our scripts. So I've just opened all the scripts. It is a little bit of an time consuming process, so you'll have to do that work. So we have got the data for the scripts. So all these prices what you are seeing, so the prices what you are seeing are all futures prices. So all the trades that you get, or the alerts what you get, will be stored here in the alerts box. So we have Bank of Baroda. So let's wait. Once it goes below this S1 level, then maybe we can short it. So S2 level, below S2 level, maybe we can short Torrent Pharma. So we have two supports here, S1 and this brown line. Once it breaks, then we can get into the Jain irrigation. So we'll usually wait till 9:25. Once we get the data here, then we can actually start trading. So you know the sectors which are bullish and which are bearish. So media will be in red. So you can just see that here it will reflect here on Z television and your Sun Pharma also. Sorry, Sun TV. So that's a gap down open for Sun TV. And even let's check Dish. So we can expect an sell call in Dish TV. So we have even FMCG and IT also in the red. Pharma and metals. Metals have been doing good from quite some days. So that's Wipro. So Torrent Pharma, you can just see that the pharma is in green. So this sell call might not get executed. And if you ask me what will be the long-term trend, I'll just put it on 10 minutes time frame or 30 minutes time frame. Then you can see that it's still in green. So it's better to avoid your sell calls here. As I said, we'll be getting the data at 9:25. So Amar Raja, we have a sell. So let's go to the alerts box. So all your trades will be here. So we can see them one by one. So we have Titan SL call. So Titan we have on support here. So we'll wait on Titan. And other than that, we have Tata Motor DVR, we have a sell. Sorry, we have a buy. Tata Motors and Tata Motor DVR both we have a buy. We can consider buying above this R2 level, that is 341. Same with Tata Motor, we can buy above this R2 524.70. We have Syndicate Bank. We have a buy call, but we do have strong resistance here. So we can consider buying above this PP, that is 75.40. We have Star. Again, we can wait on this. So REC is a gap up open. So we'll just wait on that, or else we can, let's see the long-term trend here. We don't have the data, so we can wait on this. And we have Power Grid. So you have two strong supports here. So we can short it below this PP 17770. So PFC again we have an gap up open. You can buy above 228.50. So ONGC again we have an gap up. We'll wait on that. Same thing with Oil India. You can buy above 380. So Motherson Sumi we have an sell here. You can short it below once it moves below this level 347.80. McLeod Russell you can short it below S2 192. McDowell's will wait on that. We have three strong resistances here. We have Lupin a buy call. The LIC Housing Finance you can buy above 525. So seems like more sell calls here. Let's check the open interest. So usually bullish we have Tata Global, BPCL, Lupin is up by 1%. So idea, we have a gap down. So it was a sell yesterday. We have Union Bank minus 6%. Idea, Jet Airways we can short it at 580. We have Infratel. It was a sell call even yesterday. So we'll wait for this buy call, or in case if the script is not that bullish, then we should be getting a sell call again. So Apollo Tire is down. Pocket Pharma is 10%. So Ambuja, the sell call has got triggered. Apollo Hospital you can buy. So we'll wait once it crosses the S1, then we can short this. Britannia, we have a sell. This might be a technical sell. In case if it is bullish, you can still buy. Otherwise, we can short it below 131.3101. Mindtree, once it crosses this brown line, maybe you can short it. It's at 608. Dr. Reddy, you can buy above 3067. So we have PSU banks buy calls. So we have a buy in Bank of Baroda. You can buy it at 158.80. And we had an buy in Can Bank. We can buy above this R1 level around 260. Syndicate Bank, we have already seen this. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . Kite Pharma you can buy above 930. Petronet we can buy above this R1 level 31550. PNB we can buy above this PP 123.80. We have a buy in ICICI. It was flat from quite some time. You can buy at 248, 248. You can short granules below 140.60. Adani you can buy power 28.50. SRF is up by 2%. So that's already gone up. So Tata Power we have a buy call. It's continuing its yesterday's buy. That was your entry 73.70. REC India Cement Lupin. So it's gone up. That's India Cement. REC you can buy about 231. That's what we saw in the morning. You have PFC Jindal Steel. We have not got a buy call here still. $78.50 we can buy ALBK. You can short this below 366. This should be a technical sell. We'll still wait on this, or else you can short it at 493. 576. You can short SDFC for a target of 1251. The next target for Hindalco will be 147.70. Can short Hind Petro at 1294. Crompton Greaves. That's Apollo Hospital. Your target can be 1463. So your next target for SRF will be 1665. We have a sell in Bosch. So once we cross this, then we can short this 1485. So intraday is strong now. So in fee you can buy above this R1 level 1085. Aditya Birla, you can again start buying at 1640. So that's Adani Ports. Your next target should be 245. $28.50 we can buy again. Adani Power. So that's Ajanta Pharma. ELBK. Amar Raja Battery has broken this support. So 910 is a possibility for Amar Raja. So whenever you get an a sell call after a prolonged buy call, it is usually a technical sell, but otherwise your script will be bullish. So that's what you are seeing now in case of Britannia. Cadillac, the next target is 381.50. So always try to book your profits slightly below your R1 or R2 levels. So Cipla has already gone up. So this is what will happen. So your target is 540.45. So slightly book it slightly less than that, or else you can keep trailing your stop losses. So your next level for Cipla will be 545. So Glenmark 870. Pidilite we have a buy call. So you can buy above this R1 level. $738. So this is sort of flat from 2 days. You can buy above R1. So you can short M&M. The target should be always when you're booking target for a sell call, always book it slightly above the S1 or S2 levels. So SRF is already up by 4.7%. Let me just pull the chart for you. So we have Tata Power and REC. So already REC, the buy entry is done. So let's just check the target for this. 234 will be a first target for REC. Apollo Hospital is already gone up. We have just seen that. JSW Energy, that's also up. Next target should be 85.80. India Cement, PFC, KTK. So it's already done its R1. So the next target should be 129.50. So the power companies and power related companies are doing good. So that you can see that here in PFC, Power Corporation, and we have seen REC and Adani Power, and we have Tata Power. You can still buy Tata Power above this level 76.30. So Idea, McLeod's, Jet Airways, Marico, all these are in red. So it has been flat from for yesterday. Maybe we can get into this at this level 779 for a target of 782. So Colpal is down by 3%. But we don't have the volumes here. So we might not get this trade. So if you'll have to short it, you'll have to short it below this 76.70. So you're seeing this FMCG as minus nearly 1%. So that's one of the reasons why your MacLeod, Marico, ITC have all these are in red. Pharma is in green. You can that will reflect on this. We have the Glen Pharma. We have Vocad, which is in green. Current, I think we should get a buy call. That's Sun Pharma. So it's done its targets 1665. So the next target will be 1770. So that's 4.7%. Tata Power nearly 4%. REC. So the tech companies are doing good. Pretty light, your target will be 744. So Transfen, you can buy above 1306. Page Industries, you can short it below S1 level 14055. You have a buy in Apollo Tire. You can buy above R1 level 183. You have a buy in MRF. You can buy above 37432. So that's up by 8%. SRF. We have PC Jeweler, which has come up lately. So that has also gone up by, so your next target will be 440. Your target for Colpal can be 970. Marico, it's near your S1. Once this breaks, the next level will be your S2 level. That is at 291. So the next target for Just Dial will be 486. Torrent we can buy above 1533. So once this breaks, so we can take a call on Container Corporation at 1445. So that is above your R1. This can be a technical sell. So we'll wait on this. Because we have it on the bullish segment. So we are just 45 minutes from the market open. So these are some of the trades that you are seeing. SRF, Tata Power, REC with more than 2% returns. And likewise we have some trades on the sell side also. So this is one of the easiest way to trade on an intraday basis. So that's roughly around 100 points on this SRF. Can short Tata Elxsi at 1720. So Havels has gone up. So it's your next target will be your R3. So we are 1 hour from the market open, and you can just see that Nifty is almost flat. But these are some of the trades that we have. Let me just show it for you. So the idea is to pick that particular script on a particular day which will make more than 5% returns. So here in your case, in this case, we have SRF, Tata Power, JSW, REC. So these are some of the scripts that have made good returns on the green side. And on the bearish side, we do have some scripts. We have Idea, MacLeod, Colpal, Dish, Marico, Mindtree, Jet, IBReal, Godrej, JCP. I mean, I think you would have seen that once I opened all these charts. So these are some of the trades that we have on the other side. So the idea is to pick that right kind of a script that will make more than 5% returns, or at least say more than 2% returns. So we are just 1 hour from the market open, and we have this RBI policy at 11 o'clock. So we'll again get back into trades after some time. Thank you.